What's up, guys? It's Cody from Treadway Defensive Concepts. Today we're going to be shooting the test. Fire 10 rounds at 10 yards in 10 seconds on a B8. Show you a clean target. There you go, clean target. Go back up here to 10 yards. I'm going to shoot this thing. Time on that was 7:49. Go up there and look at my hits. Right here, so we are down 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's a line break. Cool. That's a 95 in 7:49. If you're interested in training with me, check out TreadwayDefensiveConcepts.com, and I'll see you on the range.